In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide with how to use previews on Replit. By the end, you'll know how to navigate the preview pane, use Canvas to make visual tweaks, inspect elements with highlights, test interactions, and open your app in a full browser for final checks. Start by opening your project on Replit in your browser. Once your workspace loads, look to the right side of the editor for the preview panel and click Preview. This opens a live interactive view of your web app so you can see changes as you work. Next, switch to Canvas. Canvas turns the preview into a design surface where you can interact directly with elements. Use the Select tool to click on buttons, headings, images, and sections. From here, you can adjust properties like text and color, and you can draw annotations or add temporary text to plan visual changes before touching code. It's a great way to experiment quickly and communicate ideas. If you prefer AI-assisted updates, use the prompt area to describe what you want to change in plain language. For example, you might ask to make a button bolder or adjust a heading. Replit will suggest updates you can review and apply, which speeds up iteration while keeping you in control. Turn on Highlight to inspect the page structure. With Highlight active, click through target elements to see outlines and spacing. As part of testing, click the Explore Our Menu button in your app to confirm that interactions work as expected. Then click it again to verify behavior. Select the medium option to simulate a typical user choice. Continue using Highlight, clicking it as needed to move focus across different areas so you can confirm alignment, padding, and clickable regions throughout the interface. When you want a clean view without the canvas guides, switch back to Preview. This shows you how everything looks in a standard live view. You can also try Reimagine to generate alternative design ideas or layouts. Review the suggestions and keep what fits your style and goals. To return to hands-on editing, click Canvas again. For debugging, open the web logs with the wrench icon. This is useful for reviewing console, output, and server messages while you interact with the app. Use the desktop and mobile icons to switch device views and test responsiveness. Make sure buttons, menus, and text look great on both. Finally, click the redirect icon to open your web app in a new browser tab for a real-world preview and shareable link. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.